We have a surprise for you.
Surprise? Yeah. Other than the surprise?
Surprise! How are you head about the party?
Wow. I'm anxious.
I forgot to run at the front and send it round.
Send it round.
Now worry your little head, as you always say, just so you can see.
Now wait, and I see. So a surprise.
Where your head?
Oh boy! It maker.
Kyng man, up in now.
One
Jano.
All time badness. Oh, go on.
Vicious.
What is it?
Oh, where
Well, tell us, we hear a thing, you know. That's what we need to know what go on.
Cha-cha. You know, big people think they never did want to get too loud still, you know. For real.
Yeah, I say Kyng man. That couldn't go some man. Yeah, we general now, brother.
So we need to know what go on.
You know, me they really tell Jen say, no for bother say nothing to the idea.
Tell you the truth, we pressure the case in a King, man. We did need to know if you're good.
Because if you're not good, no for deal with it, you hear that?
No, Jenners and Jenners. That can't go on. We don't want that right, you know.
So what really go on?
Well, put it this way. We make a move when we never did for me. So me have to just deal with it. Come and fight. You see?
Kyng man, I'm not free nobody I try free for now.
Hear me I say to the island. It's a reason why I always attack to the island and I encourage the island to make the right decisions. You see? Because in truth, we don't want the island make the same mistakes that when I make it. Because you see in life, a man have to know. So as a big man, you have to be accountable and take responsibility for your actions and deal with the consequences from these actions. You with us?
Yeah, you know, father.
Solid reason that my father.
That is it.
Nothing under. Over, you hear that?
Let them cheer up, man. I soon their street again. But just have a go on anger, that can anger here. Yes, I.
Anything you say, no.
Kyng man, we just want to know say you're governor. That's all matter, you hear that?
Fully go.
That is it.
So, how things over on the side?
Gone good again.
That no want to hear. Ranking them back on the ground?
Yeah, man. They'll go on a clean-up campaign.
That is it. Because you see, we have to keep the community safe by any means necessary.
Father, not arena. Just want to know say you go.
That is it, Kyng. Because I call Miss Jenny really call and get a favor for you. So now I'm really overdo it, you see me?
The one that name Pass and Fast.
Really respect the man for pass through.
That's the Kyng man.
Yeah, that is it.
Yo, how the umbrella just a bend up in face and a look so.
Vicious. I God. I tell we say we time up.
Oh, I told him I move like a ugly contest this boy you want to win.
Brother, you're so played.
So you don't know, you know.
Don't know, you know, King. We're not a movement, you hear that?
That is
Kyng man, go and hold it, you know. Yeah, that be done. Yes. Yeah, thank you.
All time. Badness. One king. You don't know the crime.
right.
Fully active.
Take
Yeah.
care of the business.
That is it.
Babe, I
Hey.
have to leave now, until next week.
Already?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I can't wait till the next week because you know it feel like a month now. Me not getting another something there. You know?
No worry, next week you get fixed up real proper.
Alright, look forward to it.
That's alright.
Hey, 1 second. Tell me something. You change your number? Why?
You know when you have some family member where stalk and you don't really want them have a number, you just do what you need to do to get rid of them.
I know what you mean. Because them is the worst kind. Take care of yourself, babes. With your fine self.
Go tell your lover that you've been getting your love from me, yeah. You found another, and that's okay if you're honest, babe. You got to take a hold of your life, make it right, babe. You have so much to show for yourself, yeah. Take control of your life, do it right, babe. I will be at your side for every step of the way. You give me everything that a girl could ever need. Yeah, you're the kind of man that could help me to believe. Just keep on showing me all the light you got in you. We set each other free when we really get in tune. Ooh, there's a power in your soul. Ooh, and I wanted you to know only you can help that magic to unfold. So be true to yourself. There is something to behold, yeah. Let's take it nice and slow, if only for a moment. Oh, 'cause love is vulnerable, and that's the only way to show it. Oh, nothing can touch the divine I have inside of me. There may be moments in time when it gets hard to see, but I can never be blind to my own chemistry. Just gotta make it through the beauty of this endless dream. You give me everything that a girl could ever need. Yeah, you're the kind of man that could help me to believe. Just keep on showing me all the light you got in you. We set each other free when we really get in tune. Ooh, there's a power in your soul. Ooh, and I wanted you to know only you can help that magic to unfold. So be true to yourself. There is something to behold, yeah. 'Cause I'm so in love with you. I don't need you to change. You're sublime, sublime, sublime.
Trevor, I was just looking for you.
What happened?
So next week the place is fully booked with at least 8 persons we had to tell that we're not available.
I realize that the bookings them are rolling. It's a good look.
It would be even better if we didn't have to turn them away.
So when we supposed to do nicely, the place fully booked.
Because there are unfinished rooms.
Exactly. When them finish, we can take more bookings.
If you did take my advice, then the room them would have done.
Which advice?
To get help with finishing the place.
We really gone back there so nicely.
Me done gone back nowhere. I'm just saying.
And me say, me no need no help. Me wait until the place ready, then we can take all of the bookings then. Plus, me have a business partner.
Who's your partner?
Carlton Wallace.